Good morning. It's a little early. I'm still thrown, but guess what today is?
A big balloon going up.
I don't even know what song that is. Oh, they're starting to come up more, guys. I hear them blowing up.
I want to go.
Sorry, guys. It's really early in the morning, and we're thrown still. I look pretty rough. I was up late last night, but we're watching some balloons and whatever. I'm really thrown though. Sorry, I look so hard.
The balloon will mess us. This ain't the same balloon. But make sure the streamer wants to fire you guys.
I'm excited about the balloons.
That's Dorothy's house. Can you show me where the watermelon balloon?
Plane coming down or whatever.
Wait.
What do you think would happen if they hit a wire?
I will go back.
We all go kaploot. Those mountains back there.
Where?
Look at the pink one going up.
That's the fire one. It's streamers. Where is it? Over there.
Look, they're right above us. They're gonna come and wave at them when they walk in and they come by, guys. Wave at them. Wave at them. They can probably see us. Hi!
That pink one has the streamers. Ashton. What? Oh, the balloons are coming out.
As most of you know, I've been promising an unboxing video for a while for Halloween. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do that unboxing. Look what I have. Now, okay, let me warn you. I already opened it up to make sure everything was the right sizes. So, let me get it. Look what I have. Whoa! It's from Amazon. Is it upside down, guys? Okay. We have a little 3-year-old. Little Bashington, guys. He likes to be called Bashington. He's going to be Iron Man. Iron Man. Assemble. Riley requested to be a soldier this year, so we got him a Halo costume. What? Tell me that mask is not cooler than Bleep. That's pretty cool. I love it. He's gonna look great. He's a soldier. Halo soldier. Let me show you the Halo. And little Miss Dahlia will be a ladybug. Little Miss Dahlia will be a ladybug. It's very cute, guys. I like it. She's gonna be a ladybug. Was this cape? But the cool thing that I love about this cape is that it's also a hooded cape. So, I want to suck your blood. Oh, okay. That's Belle's cape. So, because it's a hooded thing, it's definitely a multi-use... Static. It's definitely a multi-use cape. It's got that little point, so there's the ghoul factor involved in this. But we decided she wanted to be a vampire, and because they didn't have any vampire costumes for little kids her age that we could find that we liked. So we went ahead and bought a couple things from Walmart. Since she's going for the spunky vampire look, we found her. It's gonna be really cold this year for Halloween. Well, it's not gonna be really cold because it hasn't snowed yet, but it's definitely, we're anticipating a cold Halloween. It's been really bitter in a cold, like a really cold, bitter bite in the air at night. And so when we trick or treat, we always have to underlayer our kids' costumes. So we went ahead with these pants for the leggings because they're a skull and crossbones on the sides. Anyway, we got her these leggings to put underneath this skirt. And we chose this shirt to be not really, you know, we didn't want her to look too boy-ish, especially for the spunky vampire look. So we got her a white t-shirt, kind of like that old school vampire look, and yeah, I like the way this t-shirt looks though. I really, really hope we can salvage this t-shirt after Halloween because it's going to be cool. The reason I say that is because right along with the teeth, we bought her vampire blood. For her hair, I'm going to put purple, one purple and one blue stripe through her hair. Probably next to each other, one or the other, or a striped 3-layered stripe. You probably noticed though that there's no makeup, and let me tell you why. Meow. Just kidding. This is actually the baby's headband. You've seen, if you follow my Instagram page, you may have saw me post a picture. It may have been the witch hat instead, but I had gotten her this because she put it on her head and then never took it off. I'm gonna be a kitty this year because I'm actually going to a show this weekend that requires me to dress up. So I'm gonna have to go get me a kitty setup. But notice I don't have makeup for her. The reason for that is because if any of you have seen in my past videos, I can't put makeup, especially Halloween makeup, on my tween. She has a strange and very, very annoying form of eczema that inhibits her from being able to put anything on her face that is not organic or all natural. So I'm actually waiting on an order to come in. It should be in soon from the company that I ordered your giveaway lip glosses from. I'm gonna put some white makeup on her and the black eyeliners and give her the whole vampire look. She's at that age now where she does want to be unique, and she does want to be, like, she's really into just making her costume herself and going that extra mile. And I notice it's kind of like a cognitive, you know, switch that kids usually, you know, they make. They want to just kind of do it, DIY it themselves. And I really like that. I'm really excited that this is the first year she's wanted to be something that didn't come already as a costume. Catch you in the next clip, showing you how to do Belle's costume. Okay guys, so she's got the costume. Now we're gonna top it off with her cape. Okay, so what we're gonna do is when we're ready to get the costume going on Halloween, we're gonna give her these teeth to put in her mouth. Do we need to shape them now?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. These are glow-in-the-dark teeth, by the way. Guys, we're not going to put the makeup on her face yet. I might do that actually for Halloween. And we're not going to do this today. But how can you be a vampire without make it a little bit more realistic with the blood by simply shield your face. Kind of, let's see how this goes. Oh, snap. So basically, like, think about blood on a vampire. Ah! Ah! Oh! Don't move, don't move. We want that blob of blood. You're making it fall. Victim blood. Ah! Ah!
You got it on a sock.
So it washes. I think. I don't know. I don't know why I'm making those noises, but you know, hey. Squirt, squirt. Guys, what do you think? Does it look like blood?
You got some on the table.
It's okay. What do you think, guys? Does it look like vampire blood? Then, ta-da! Look at me. Ta-da! We're probably gonna put her hair back like this. Ta-da! There's your cloak, guys. Easy vampire costume. Right here. As far as going any deeper into the costume, we'll show you guys her ending results on Halloween. But we'll also make her, I'm actually gonna get white makeup and make it like, I'm gonna use another pair of teeth to make bite marks right here.
What?
And make it like, here's her scar where she got bit. But yeah, ta-da. Okay guys, I'm putting a couple of the finishing touches on the shirt and I'm gonna just let it sit here on this table. And what do you think? Does it look like she just ate somebody? Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. It's always a pleasure. Don't forget to subscribe if you liked what you saw. Hit the subscribe button, guys. I'm pushing 70 subscribers right now, guys. I'm getting really excited for 100. You know, I've been looking at some of my videos and noticing my camera isn't all that great, and I would really like to get a better one. So, let's get to 100, guys, and you know, I wanna try and get to my road to 1,000 subscribers soon, because as soon as I get 1,000 subscribers, I think I'm gonna get a better camera, guys. But yeah, I'm getting pumped, guys. I love the appreciation. It feels great. Thanks so much for always, you know, watching the videos. It means a lot to us. And yeah, let's grow. Let's keep growing together, guys. I'm getting really excited about this. But remember, guys, I can't stress this enough. I gotta leave. I gotta end the day with reminding all of you out there to live, love, and enjoy. Life happens so quickly. In a heartbeat, everything can change. Make everything you do count.
What's that sticker? And I can't wait for Halloween either.